Welcome to the world of acids and bases. The goal of the game is to get to the top while collecting acid and base tokens to interact with objects around you. But be careful, one wrong step and you'll have to start all over. It looks like you've been busy collecting base tokens. You've become more basic than acidic now. The deprotonated form dominates, so the solution behaves like a base. It tends to accept protons and pull hydrogen ions out of anything that it touches. Now the platform pulls back under your basic influence. A base soaks up hydrogen ions, and the equilibrium shifts to replace what was removed. Here, that invisible tug of chemistry shows up as motion in the opposite direction. Now your acids and bases are balanced. When the acid and base forms are present in equal amounts, the pH sits right at the pKa. Half the molecules are protonated, and half are deprotonated, and the system behaves like a buffer that resists pH change. These platforms represent an equilibrium reaction. The platform surges forward under your excess acid. Adding acid pushes the equilibrium towards the basic side, just like Le Chatelier's principle. The system responds to stress by shifting in the opposite direction. Surprised because nothing's happening? That's because this platform is buffered. There's enough weak acid and conjugate base built in that the small dose of extra acid or base barely changes the ratio between them, so the pH and the platform hardly move at all. Looks like you're going to have to find some more acid tokens. Look at that, you finally have enough to overload the buffer. Once the amount of added acid or base is comparable to what was already there, the buffer can't hide the change anymore. The pH drifts and the equilibrium shifts, and the platform breaks free and starts to move. Ooh, watch out! The salt platform dissolves into ions. In water, salts split into charged particles that still affect the pH. Acidic salts release hydrogen ions, basic salts mop them up, and the solid structure you're standing on becomes part of the solution. See that? This platform keeps switching between basic and acidic, like a chemical system near equilibrium. It never fully settles, it just shifts back and forth as protons move in and out, showing how reactions can be dynamic even when they look stable from far away. Hey, you made it. I didn't think you'd get here so fast. I hope you had fun, and maybe learned a little about acids and bases on the way.